Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little vid today about the GoPro Media Mod and how I have a quick little fix for some of the issues that some of you might have and that I ended up having. So I was all excited, got the Media Mod all set up, gonna head out on the motorcycle and put it on my helmet, put my gloves on, and off I went. Pushed record right here, and I got the most amazing footage ever. Oh my god, it was epic. I was so excited, I could not believe it. Got back home, went to go edit, and realized that when I pushed the button to record, that it never turned on. And I was like, what's going on? And so I pushed the button with my gloves off, and it starts to record. So I couldn't figure it out. So put my gloves on, and every time I was pushing the button to record, for some reason I couldn't hit that sweet spot to make it record. So I had to come up with some kind of ingenious fix. Now I don't know if other of you have this issue or if this is a Media Mod failure from GoPro, but I'll show you what I did. After I got over the depression, then I put on my thinking cap, and as usual, it was the cat that came up with the idea. So what I ended up doing, cutting strips of duct tape out into the little squares. It took about 6 layers of duct tape, and it slides in, still slides in just fine. And now with the gloves on, when I push record, it automatically starts. So hopefully that little tip helps you guys if any of you are struggling with your gloves on in the Media Mod. And if this is a failure on GoPro, maybe they could send me another one that actually works. And if this is a design flaw, then maybe they could fix that too. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.
More.